Sparklings, it's Victoria Lovelace here and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am quite good. It's actually very hot today, so I'm kind of melting here. But finally, I am back with a new video for you guys. And it might not even be so hard to guess what this video is gonna be about. And it's actually gonna be a little haul video. So it's actually gonna be another haul video and of course a try on haul, of course. So I'm gonna show you what I got here. I have a package here from Youvimi. Youvimi is a web shop or like a web store. They have a very wide range of kind of a little bit of everything. They have a lot of clothes, accessories, they have also shoes, they have cosplay, and they also have a lot of wigs though. A lot of wigs and a lot of different style, or from goth to pastel goth to a wide range of different styles. And they were very nice of sending me some items which I am gonna open and show it to you guys, and we're also gonna try them on. And I'm quite excited what is hiding in this package, of course. So let's open this. Of course, I'm gonna put the link to in the description of all the items I got in this haul. So let's open it. So here it is, everything, and I kind of like forgot what I picked actually, because as I said it was quite like a long time ago. But how can I see? So this is like a little bit like Christmas Eve in the middle of the summer. So let's see what we have here. So this is Youvimi. And I think a lot of you guys might know about them because they sell like a lot of wigs, but they also have a wide range of clothes and accessories. So I'm gonna see what is hiding in here, and look at this. This is oh, this one. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Oh, look at this color with its cross details. Isn't this amazing? Wow. Oh. I just love these lacing details on the sleeves. So this is the dress. And my favorite thing was this color actually. I know it's a little hard to see. This is from the back to see how this looks, but of course, as always, we are gonna try it on, of course. So I am very excited to try it on. So let's see what we have in here. I see something else here. So let's open it and see. Ooh. Oh, everything is flying away here. What's this? Ooh. It's actually a dress, as you guys might be able to see. So this looks like this. You can see it has like I think it's supposed to be lacing there, and you can see oh, they are here. So this is lacing in the front, and it's actually made of lace. Very pretty. This dress is actually gonna be more than perfect right now because it's like very hot right now, even here in Sweden. So yeah, this feels very soft and comfortable. I think I'm gonna like this dress a lot. So yeah, let's see what we have more in this package. Actual clothing. something that is not made of fabric, or like something that is a little bit harder. Which can this be? Let's open it. Ooh. I'm kind of excited. Ooh. I forgot, as I said, what I picked. But ooh, look at those. Ooh, look at those shoes. Aren't they awesome? Oh, look at this vinyl and this. Oh, these details here. This is gonna be perfect. Those are very nice. Ooh, this is super cute. It's super cute, and those are gonna be so perfect for the dress. Very nice. Oh, I didn't think they're actually very, very light. I really like that though. Very, very light. So yeah, very cute. So, is there anything else? I think this is actually the last item. So we're gonna see what's hiding in here. Oh, this is really, really like Christmassy. This is 2 items here. I'm not sure exactly, but look at this. Oh, I actually totally forgot that. Oh, oh, they have a very big bag for those. Oh, those are cute. It's like small, kind of like, I don't know what to say, like ears, but they're made like in hair. Oh, they look like this, and I think you can put them like that, and then you have small ears made of hair, kind of, but it's not your real hair, of course. But I mean, that looks kind of nice though. Oh, and let's see what we have here. Oh, it's nice ears. I don't know. Oh, this is like interesting material. Ooh, I think you put them like this, something like that. I mean, I've seen a lot of people wear those ears. Maybe I are the wrong. Oh, my hair looks so freaking red. I don't know why, but they're kind of cool. Maybe I have to see if the color might be a little bit wrong or something. But they look like this. Oh, this is very cute though. Small ears. It's just, I don't know, my ears look so red. Oh my god. Why? I don't know. I have been out in the sun. I'm like so red, and I said it's been really hot. And I love to be in the sun too much, even if I shouldn't. So yeah. Well, what else can I do? So we're actually gonna try everything on now. So hang on guys, and you're gonna see everything on, and we hope everything is gonna fit though. And one thing I wanted to say, as I haven't tried everything on, but everything is, I have size up because I know this is Asian sizes, and because I'm very tall, I am 5'9", which equals around 176 centimeters tall. And I'm tall, so I size up, and yeah, I might sometimes size up even 2 sizes just because I'm freaking tall. So I actually have a size medium and large on those dresses. So just so you know that guys, especially if you are like me. So let's try it on everything. So guys, I hope you're really enjoying this video, and if you did so, you should definitely give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss the new videos that is coming. I know I have been a little bit slow with uploading new videos, but that is gonna be better. It's gonna go more videos. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.